Hello, my name is Cheryl, and I just completed the 2-day business plan writing class with Damon Thompson. The class was so informative. I gained so much information. As a startup business, I gained so much information on how to proceed, how to write my business plan, all the intricate details that are needed to have a successful business plan so that you can be successful in obtaining different avenues of finances, grant opportunities. I mean, it was just an awesome class. I encourage anyone and everyone who is interested in becoming an entrepreneur to come out to Damon Thompson's class. You will be fulfilled. Thank you.
Okay, so I just finished the Damon Thompson How to Write a Business Plan workshop, and it was phenomenal. I am a seasoned nonprofit CEO, and I came in to get some additional tips, tools, and resources to rebranding my business. And I can just definitely say I am so looking forward to working with Damon Thompson. And I'm also looking forward to the university classes that they're going to be offering online, as well as the mastermind classes pertaining strictly to the nonprofit community in August. So I greatly appreciated his opportunity, spending time with us, and giving us those tools for our businesses in the Black communities to be successful.
Hi, my name is Lisa. I just attended the two-part series of the business class with Damon Thompson. Just awesome. My mind is still going from this class. So much knowledge. This is like the beginning of my journey with my business, and I would encourage anyone that you need to take this class. It's awesome.
How you doing? My name is Lindsay Thaxton. I just attended Damon Thompson's Part 2 series of creating a business plan. I'm not seasoned, so I'm new to this. I had an idea, came to him, and he gave me a lot of information, not just him, but the keynote speakers about LLCs, nonprofit, and the plan to put it together. I feel that it's very important that we invest in each other and our communities and our people. And with this program and the upcoming programs, the Mastermind program coming out in August, he's going to have online classes as well. It's really going to help us motivate and elevate not just ourselves, but our environment, and make it a better future for everybody and sustain a legacy. I think that's what we all need to focus on. So I had a great time. I'm looking forward to future endeavors with Mr. Thompson. Thank you.